Okay, good morning everyone. Today English we are learning first lesson Hattie Hat. First lesson name Hattie Hat. Lesson name Hattie Hat. Here lesson is about one hat. One hat. That hat is telling about that. Okay, hat. See here. Her name, hat name was Hattie Hat. Hat name was Hattie Hat. See, my name is Hattie Hat. I am bright pink. Which color Hattie Hat is? Bright pink color. Bright pink color. Hattie Hat. Hat. One hat is telling about that. Okay. Hello, my name is Hattie Hat. I am bright pink color. Which color? Bright pink color. I love staying at home the whole day. That hat loving staying at home whole day. Okay, the whole day the hat likes to stay at home only. I am afraid the rain will make me wet. Afraid. The hat is afraid of rain. Hat is afraid of rain because it makes the hat wet. Because it makes the hat be wet. I think the sun will take away my color. Sun. Sun. The hat afraid of sun also because the sun takes its color. The sun takes its color. The hat the whole day it is inside the home only because it is afraid of rain and sun. Rain makes the hat wet. Sun takes its color because the hat afraid of these two things. I belongs to Miss Lovely. The hat belongs to Miss Lovely. The hat belongs to one girl named Miss Lovely. The hat belongs to Miss Lovely. Miss Lovely loves children. Miss Lovely loves children. Okay, Miss Lovely loves children. She tells them stories. She tells the story to children. Miss Lovely tells the stories to children. They love their stories. The children loves Miss Lovely's stories. Okay, the children loves Miss Lovely's stories. One day Miss Lovely put on Hattie Hat and goes to tell stories to children. One day Miss Lovely put the hat. Okay, put the hat on head and come to tell the stories to the children. Okay, Miss Lovely put the hat and come and tell the stories to the children. The Lovely telling the stories, but the children are looking at her hat. Lovely story, Miss Lovely is telling the stories to the children, but children are not interested in the story and looking at Miss Lovely's hat. Miss Lovely's hat. Children all are talking about the hat. What a lovely hat. What a lovely hat. Miss Lovely, do you like my hat? Do you want to put it on well? Miss Lovely look at those children and tell, you like this hat? Are you like this hat? Do you want to put it on well? Do you love this hat? Do you want to put it on your head? Miss Lovely asked the children. S please Miss Lovely. Children telling S please give me the hat. When Lovely gave the hat, the children, Miss Lovely gave the hat, the children all took the hat and running to the garden. Children took the hat and running to the garden and okay, then after, wow, you look so beautiful with hatty hat. One children put the hat on the hat. One boy telling that you look so beautiful with the hat. You look so beautiful with the hatty hat. Like that, all the children put the hat on their head. All the children put the hat on their head. It's raining. What shall I do now? Hatty hat covers my head from rain. They went outside. They putting the hat on the head. Then the rain was falling. Suddenly the rain fall. Another children take the hat and put on the head. After finish the hat, all children put their hat on the head and play with the hat. After that, they returned to Miss Lovely. They hat returned to the children returned the hatty hat to Miss Lovely. All children told Miss Lovely, thank you very much for giving me this hat. All the children told to the Miss Lovely, thank you so much for giving me this hat. We love the hatty hat. All the children gave hatty hat to the Lovely. The Lovely look at the hat. The Lovely look at the hat. The hat all are wet. Because of rain, the hat is wet. Miss Lovely told that again I will never bring back outside to you outside. Miss Lovely told that hat again never bring your hat to outside. Okay, this is the lesson hatty hat. The hat loves to stay indoors only. Hat. This is the lesson about the hatty hat. This is the lesson about hatty hat. One hat is telling the story. Hatty hat. The hat name was hatty hat. Which color? Bright pink color. Which color? The hat is bright pink color. Okay, the hat is bright pink color. The hat loves to stay the whole day in indoors only. The whole day in indoor, not going outside. The hat loves to stay in indoor only. It was afraid of rain and sun. The hat was afraid of rain and sun because the rain becomes wet. The rain becomes the hat wet. The sun takes its color. When we take hat and go on to the rain, it makes the hat wet. When we put the hat and go to the sun, it takes its color. Because the hatty hat is afraid of rain and sun. The hatty hat belongs to Miss Lovely. Hatty hat belongs to one girl, Miss Lovely. Miss Lovely likes to tell stories to the children. Miss Lovely allows to tell the stories to the children. The children also like Miss Lovely's stories very much. One day Miss Lovely put her hat and go to tell stories to the children. Tell stories to the children. That day children all are looking at the hat, Miss Lovely's hatty hat. They are not listening story. They are looking at the hatty hat and talking about the hatty hat. It is so nice, so beautiful. That Miss Lovely saw and gave her hat to the children to play. Miss Lovely saw that and asked like, do you like this hat, and gave the hat to the children to play outdoors, to play. They take the hat and go outside. They take the hat and go outside. And all the children put the hatty hat on the head. Hatty hat on the head. Suddenly rain comes and the hatty hat will be wet. After children playing with the hatty hat, after they gave to Miss Lovely, the hat returned to Miss Lovely and says, thank you very much. After seeing Miss Lovely, the hat is full wet. The hat is full wet. Miss Lovely told that I will never send you outside. I will never send you again outside. Okay, this is the lesson hatty hat. Hat. Okay, when people want to respect others, hat. All of you know hat. When people want to respect others, they remove their hat and respecting them. Already we saw in cinemas or when we want to respect others, they remove their hat like this and they are respecting others. Okay, thank you.